This is Class 1's proof of life video for MJB3 serial number 2108, ID number 3841. The machine has been completely refurbished and functioning as originally spec'd by the factory. I will now do an exposure to illustrate the operation. The head comes forward, the shutter opens, and an exposure is taken, and the system sets to the rear again. I have refocused on the 505 power supply. As you can see during the exposure, the intensity is displayed at 30.5 milliwatts. Uniformity of the exposure system has been measured at plus or minus 3%. The system is equipped with a Seuss M230 microscope with 3.5, 10x, and 20x objectives and 10x eyepieces. It is also equipped with a manometer control box to control both air pressure and nitrogen for the system. The machine is shipping with a 3-inch mask holder and a 3-inch vacuum contact chuck. The alignment stage has been completely refurbished with all new bearings, seals, and O-rings, tubing, fittings. The micrometers have been rebuilt. A new height adjustment knob has been included. New bladder tubing and new internal tubing is also there. In operation, the machine contact lever raises the chuck. This will allow you separation for doing your alignment. You can see that the micrometers are all functional, smooth, have been cleaned and adjusted. The same with the wafer transport light. All new bearings have been installed, complete alignment has been done, and the same with the microscope. The microscope has been disassembled, new bearings have been lubricated and put in, the slides and ways have been lubricated and cleaned. The rotation function of the microscope has been cleaned and adjusted for correct operation. A new lamp has been in the 12 volt 20 watt illuminator. It uses a halogen bulb. The lamp house assembly has been completely disassembled and installed with new cables, and all axes have been lubricated with a high temperature lubricant. Internal to the machine, all valves have new O-rings, new air fittings, and new tubing. All new panel lamps have been installed. As you can see from the outside of the machine has been completely disassembled. All mechanical parts were sanded, degreased, cleaned, and repainted in the current Seuss Microtech colors. On refurbishment, the machine was set up with a brand new cooling fan for the back, new connector cables for the Mimir 505 supply. All items function correctly. The machine was also upgraded with an adjustable hard contact option here, controls for both dampening of the microscope forward and reverse, and also an airing operation for vacuum contact to relieve sticking of your wafer to the mask. The air and nitrogen control box was also completely refurbished with all new tubings and fittings.